Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear student, welcome to Greenfield School and College online class. I am Nasir Farooq, lecturer at Greenfield School and College. Today, I am going to take another class. The subject name is Finance and Banking. The chapter is Time Value of Money. Time Value of Money is very important chapter, especially student of class 10 and class 9. So student, today I would like to solve a creative question. Uh, Creative questions, it's also the combined theoretical and mathematical problem. So student, carefully attention this picture. I'm also mentions a creative questions on my board, and at first I describe the theoretical problems, and after the time then I solve uh, the mathematical problem. So student, please attention this here. The creative questions is Mr. Robin wants to invest taka 5 lakh in the bank for 5 years. Uh, One bank offered him 12% bi-monthly compounding, and Dhaka Bank also offered him 12.5% on monthly compounding interest. The first question is, what is opportunity cost? The second question, what is financial risk? Explain. The third question, calculate how much money will get from one bank at the end of the period. The last question is, determine which bank proposal is more profitable for Mr. Robin. So student, this is a creative questions, and this is most important creative questions. So at first, what is the opportunity cost? The question is opportunity cost. So student, you know that opportunity cost is when financial managers or when an investors uh, investors, if they have any project or many project to invest, then financial managers taking any one project, and ultimately they left the another projects by another others project. It's called opportunity cost. So by applying the opportunity cost, the financial managers tracking a specific one project and another or others project um, uh, loss, or others project is give back left. That's why the financial managers fail to get the benefit in any others projects. It's called opportunity cost. The second question, what is financial risk? Student, you know that the behalf of the business, behalf of the business organizations, there are two kinds of risks. One is business risk, the another is financial risk. Financial risk is most important. Financial risk basically created when a financial manager taking loan with his own capital, then create financial risk, because the provider of loan also give a certain rate of interest. That's why when financial managers unable to pay the principal's amount with interest rate, then create financial risks. Due to financial risks, organizations or a business maybe or will be bankrupt when financial managers unable to pay meet the demand of the bond or debentures or external sources owner of finance. So financial risk is very important sources. Otherwise, there are some benefits to take loan from the external sources. Just like so, when financial managers taking loan, from the external sources, then he take the benefit from tax, because of we know that government does impose tax uh, on the debt or on the external sources. For these reasons, financial managers someone or sometime taking loan from external sources, but the um, the principles of taking loan with the own capitals, the most important ratio mentions should be mentions the 2:1. I mean, when the total capital is 1 lakh taka, then financial managers maybe take 50,000 taka loan. For this reasons, financial managers always mentions the proportions capital versus uh, external sources or loan. So this is first and second questions. Now I am solved some mathematical problems. Also I mentions a math here. Student, carefully attention this. The third questions calculate how much money we'll get from one bank. So student, here one bank offered him 12% bi-monthly. Bi-monthly I mean interest count after 2 months, within an year. So 1 year will be 12 month will be a 1 year. That's why when I count the interest rate after 2 months, then the bi-monthly I will pay the total number of interest is 6 times in a year, because 2 month after 2 months when I will get 1 time interest, after 4 months 2 time interest, after 6 months 3 time interest, after 12 months 6 time interest. So when the compounding is given by monthly, then I let m is equal 6. So student, here the interest rate I is equal 12%. Mr. Robin wants to invest. So this amount is given presently, that's why it represents present value. The bank for 5 years, so number of year is equal 5. So student, now I describe the all of the necessities informations in this creative questions. Here the PB is equal 5 lakh. Then the number of year, so here number of year represents by n, that's why n is equal 5 years. The next, one bank offered him 12%. So interest rate is equal 12%. 12% I mean 0.12. Bi-monthly, then bi-monthly compounding I mean here the m is equal 6, because 6 times interest is given within a 1 year. That's why m is equal 6. So this is the one bank information. So now I would like to solve the future value. So we know that student, we know FB I mean future value is equal PB divided 1 plus I divided m to the power n into m. You know that this is the real formula, this is the basic formula to calculation the future value. That's why I put now I put the value in the formula. Here PV is equal present value, so present value here 5 lakh taka divided 1 plus I is equal rate of interest. Here the rate of interest is 0.12 divided m is equal 6. Then n is here n is equals 5 years. Then m is equal 6. So student, by applying this mathematical formula you can easily find out the future value. So here future value. So student, by applying this mathematical formula, we can easily find out the future value here. Sorry, student, this is wrong formula. Now I have tried the right formula here. We know that future value. So future value. Future value FD is equals PB into 1 plus I to the power 1 plus I divided M to the power N into M. Okay, student, this is the right formula. Sorry, I forget this because of this is future values formula. So you just apply this mathematical formula to find out the future value. So now I put the value from one bank informations or the creative questions informations. Yes, PB is equals 5,000, 5 lakh. 1 lakh here, I is equals 12% represents 0.12 divided 6 to the power n. N is equal 5 into 6. So student, now I calculate the value. So 5 lakh multiple 1 plus 0.12 divided 6 to the power 30. So the future value is 9 lakh 5,680.79 taka. This is the one bank's offer. I mean, one bank will be given the Mr. Robbins to the Mr. Robbins 9 lakh 5,680 taka only. So student, now I would like to solve the next important creative questions. Determine which bank proposal is more profitable for Mr. Robin. So student, according to these questions, at first we have to calculate the future value both of the bank offer. Then I find out, or then I found which project is which project give us, or which project give Mr. Robin the more amount of money. Those project is acceptable. That's why or for these reasons, just now we have to calculate the future value of another bank. Another bank name is Dhaka Bank. So here FB is equals one bank. One bank offer is 9 lakh 5,680.79. Now I would like to solve the second options, because second options here some informations change. Just like the PB is equal same all of the or both the bank, the number of year is same both the bank, but the second option is one Dhaka Bank. Dhaka Bank also offered him 12.5%. So here student, here interest rate is 12.5%. So and one monthly. So monthly, I mean every month interest count within a year. So we know that the 12 month will be a year. When I count each of the month interest rate, then the M is equal 12 compounding interest rate. So student, here according to the Dhaka Bank, the interest rate is 12.5%. 12.5% represents by 0.125. Here the M is equal. I mean number of compounding. So number of compounding is 12 times. then I calculate the FB. So the formula of FB, now I apply the formula of FB. We know that FB is equal PB into 1 plus I divided M to the power n into n. So student, here PB is equals 5 lakh 1 plus I represents 0.125 divided M is equal 12 times. So here n is equal 5, M is equal 12. Okay, now calculation the future value by applying calculator. So student, here 9,31,108.043 taka. So student, now we can easily give the right decisions for which project should be acceptable, because of the according to Dhaka Bank will give after the 5 years 9,31,000, but according to the one bank will give after the 5 years 9,05,000. So 31,000 is more than the 5,000. That's why Mr. Robin should be deposit the 5 lakh taka for 5 years the Dhaka Bank, because it's give the more amount of money after the 5 years. So student, I hope you can easily understand these creative questions, and I hope I want for you also read more times so that you can success the next exams and you can easily allow the next exams. So no more today. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.